In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email with Sendgrid. We'll walk through the full process of building and sending a one-time marketing email, often called a single send. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to avoid common mistakes so your email reaches the right people and looks professional. Once you're logged into your Sendgrid dashboard, start by looking at the left-hand sidebar. Find the section labeled Marketing and click on it. This is where all of your campaigns, contacts, and email designs are managed. So anytime you're doing marketing emails, this is your home base. Within the marketing section, look for an option called Single Sends. Go ahead and select that. Single sends are perfect for one-off announcements, newsletters, or promotional emails that aren't part of an automated series. In the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Create Single Send. Click that to start building a new email. Next, you'll be asked to choose a template. Here you have a few options. You can use a pre-built Sendgrid design, which is great if you want something polished quickly. You can select one of your own saved templates if you've created emails before and want to reuse that structure. Or you can start from a completely blank template if you prefer full control over layout and content. Pick the option that best matches the style and complexity you need for this particular email. After choosing a template, select the Design Editor. This is the visual drag-and-drop editor that makes it easy to change text, images, buttons, and layout without writing any code. Before you dive deep into the design, it's important to configure your basic settings. Switch to the Settings tab. Here, you'll see a few key fields. First, choose your From Sender. This should be one of your verified sender emails in Sendgrid, which helps with deliverability and makes sure email providers trust your messages. Then, enter your subject line. Make it clear and relevant so recipients know why they're getting the email. Finally, under Recipients, choose which lists or segments should receive this message. Lists are broad groups of contacts, while segments let you target specific subsets based on criteria you've defined. Now head back into the design area to actually build your email. Using the drag and drop tools, add and rearrange content blocks like text, images, buttons, and dividers. Take a moment to align everything nicely, check your spacing, and make sure your call to action stands out. If possible, preview how it looks on both desktop and mobile views. When everything looks good and your settings are correct, click Review, Details, and Send. This review step is your final chance to double-check the sender, subject, recipients, and content. Once you're confident everything is set, go ahead and launch your single send to deliver it immediately.